Hello and welcome to Brainetainment, the channel where we unravel the science behind everyday activities in an engaging and understandable way. Here at Brainetainment, we're all about making science fun and approachable. We explore a wide spectrum of topics, from the intricacies of health and fitness to the marvels of technology and the environment. Our goal, to satiate your curiosity with a side of wit and a dash of entertainment. In today's episode, we will dive into the science behind stretching. Stay tuned. Stretching, it might seem simple, but there's a lot going on beneath the surface. Now let's delve into the basics of stretching. Picture this. You're about to embark upon a vigorous run. As your body prepares for the activity, you begin to loosen up your muscles and tendons. This is stretching in its most fundamental form. It's the process of gently elongating the muscles and tendons, a vital aspect of preparing your body for physical exertion and maintaining overall flexibility. Stretching is often overlooked, but it plays a key role in preventing injuries. Think of your muscles and tendons as elastic bands. If they're cold and not properly stretched, they're more likely to snap under sudden stress. But when they're warm and well stretched, they can handle a greater degree of tension and movement, reducing the risk of injury. Now let's talk about the two primary types of stretching: static and dynamic. Static stretching is what most people think of when they hear the word stretching. It involves holding a stretch for a certain period, usually between 15 to 60 seconds. This type of stretching is fantastic for cooling down after a workout, as it helps to gradually lower your heart rate and relax your muscles. On the other hand, dynamic stretching involves moving parts of your body and gradually increasing reach, speed of movement, or both. It's not about bouncing or jerking your body in different directions, but rather it's about controlled, smooth, and deliberate movements. This form of stretching is ideal before a workout or sports activity, as it warms up the muscles and increases your range of motion. In a nutshell, stretching is more than just an activity. It's a crucial part of any physical routine, whether you're a professional athlete or someone who enjoys a leisurely walk around the block. It helps to keep our muscles flexible, strong, and healthy, which in turn enables us to maintain a balance in our joint movements. So we've seen what stretching is and its types. Now let's get into the science behind it. Now that we've covered the basics, let's explore what happens to our bodies when we stretch. Stretching is an everyday miracle that we often overlook. Every time we reach, bend, or twist, we're tapping into an intricate symphony of biological processes. But what's going on beneath the surface? At the heart of it all are our muscles. Muscles are made up of tiny contractile units called sarcomeres. These units are lined up end to end, forming long strands of muscle fibers. When we stretch, the sarcomeres lengthen, allowing the muscle fibers to extend. But the magic doesn't stop there. As we stretch, our muscles become warmer due to increased blood flow. This isn't just a fancy way of saying that we're getting a mini workout. This increased blood flow is crucial. It brings oxygen and nutrients to our muscles, helping them perform better and recover faster. Now you might be asking, what's the role of the nervous system in all of this? Well, the nervous system is like the conductor of this symphony, ensuring everything works in harmony. It sends signals to our muscles, telling them when to contract and when to relax. When we stretch, we're actually training our nervous system to tolerate a greater degree of muscle extension without firing off pain signals. But there's more to the story. The nervous system also controls our stretch reflex, which protects us from injury. When a muscle is stretched too quickly or too far, the nervous system steps in, triggering a contraction to prevent overstretching. It's like a built-in safety mechanism, helping us stay within our limits while we improve our flexibility. And let's not forget about the mind-body connection. Numerous studies have shown that stretching can boost mood and reduce stress. This is likely due to the release of endorphins, our body's natural feel-good chemicals, during stretching exercises. Plus, the focused, intentional movements involved in stretching can have a meditative quality, helping us feel more present and grounded. So to sum it all up, stretching is a multifaceted process that involves the muscles, the cardiovascular system, and the nervous system. It increases blood flow, improves muscle flexibility, boosts mood, and trains our bodies to move with greater ease and less discomfort. But remember, like any form of exercise, stretching should be done with care. Always listen to your body and never push too hard too soon. Good things take time, and flexibility is no exception. With the knowledge of how stretching works, it's time to understand its benefits. Stretching does more than just make you limber. It has a host of other benefits. Let's delve into the world of stretching and explore how this simple practice can have profound effects on your health and well-being. Firstly, stretching is a fantastic way to improve your posture. It's no secret that many of us spend our days hunched over computers, craning our necks to stare at screens. This can lead to a multitude of posture problems. Regular stretching can help realign your body, correcting any imbalances that might have developed over time. It's like hitting the reset button on your body's alignment. Secondly, stretching can increase your range of motion. Our bodies are designed to move in many different ways, but a lack of flexibility can limit this. By regularly stretching, we can maintain and even improve our flexibility, allowing us to move more freely and with less discomfort. It's like unlocking a new level of mobility that you might not have known existed. Thirdly, if you're an athlete or someone who enjoys physical activity, stretching can enhance your performance. When our muscles are loose and limber, they can perform their best. Stretching can also help to increase blood flow to your muscles, providing them with the oxygen and nutrients they need to perform optimally. It's like giving your muscles a little pep talk before they get to work. Finally, stretching can significantly reduce your risk of injury. By keeping your muscles flexible and strong, you're less likely to experience strains or pulls. It's like providing your body with a protective shield, guarding it against potential harm. So there you have it: improved posture, increased range of motion, enhanced athletic performance, and a reduced risk of injury, all from a few minutes of stretching each day. Who knew that something so simple could be so beneficial? Clearly, incorporating stretching into your daily routine can have a significant impact on your overall health and well-being. So why not give it a try? Your body will thank you. Let's recap what we've learned today about the science of stretching. In our journey today, we've delved into the fascinating world of stretching, a simple yet profound act that is more than just a warm-up ritual or a post-workout cool-down. It's a practice that intertwines the realms of biology, physiology, and even psychology. We started with the basics, defining stretching as the process of gently elongating muscles, tendons, and other soft tissues to enhance flexibility and range of motion. It's an act as ancient as humanity itself, instinctively performed by many creatures in the animal kingdom, including us humans. Then we ventured into the science behind stretching. We explored how when we stretch, we're not just pulling our muscles like elastic bands. In fact, it's a complex interplay of neurological signals and biomechanical responses. And when you stretch, your nervous system communicates with your muscles, leading to a temporary increase in muscle length and, over time, a permanent increase in flexibility. We also unraveled the mystery of why stretching sometimes hurts. That sensation is your body's way of saying, slow down, you're reaching your limit. It's a protective reaction from your nervous system to prevent injury. Next, we touched upon the manifold benefits of stretching. Beyond enhancing flexibility and range of motion, stretching also improves posture, reduces stress, and boosts overall well-being. It's not just about the body, but also about the mind. Stretching can be a meditative act, a moment of mindfulness in our fast-paced world. Furthermore, we highlighted that stretching is for everyone, not just athletes, dancers, or yoga practitioners. Whether you're a desk-bound worker or a retiree looking to maintain mobility, stretching can add a sprinkle of health and vitality to your life. But remember, like any other fitness regimen, stretching should be done correctly and safely. Always listen to your body, maintain a gentle approach, and if possible, seek guidance from fitness experts. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of stretching. Remember to subscribe to Brainetainment for more fascinating insights into the science of everyday life. Until next time, stay curious.